Retinol is widely regarded as the gold standard ingredient for fighting wrinkles, improving skin texture, and promoting youthful radiance. But with so many options available, choosing the right retinol serum can be overwhelming. In this video, we're reviewing the best retinol serums 1 to 5 that deliver effective results while minimizing irritation. Whether you're a retinol newbie or looking to upgrade your skincare, this guide will help you find a serum tailored to your needs. Let's dive into these dermatologist-recommended retinol serums that truly work. At number 1, our RoC Retinol Correxion, the RoC Retinol Correxion Deep Wrinkle Serum is a time-tested formula designed to visibly reduce deep wrinkles and fine lines. This serum combines pure retinol with an exclusive mineral complex to enhance absorption and efficacy. It targets uneven skin tone and texture while promoting skin renewal. Known for its effective anti-aging benefits, RoC offers a well-balanced retinol experience suitable for many skin types, especially those new to retinol or sensitive to harsher formulations. Key features: this serum features pure retinol, an ingredient proven to accelerate cell turnover and stimulate collagen production. Its mineral complex helps optimize retinol delivery while soothing skin. The lightweight formula absorbs quickly and is oil-free and non-comedogenic. It's fragrance-free, which reduces the risk of irritation. Benefits and usage: RoC's Retinol Correxion visibly reduces the appearance of wrinkles, refines skin texture, and even skin tone with regular use. Users typically notice smoother, firmer skin within weeks. Apply a pea-sized amount to clean skin at night, avoiding eye area. Start slowly to allow skin to build tolerance, then increase frequency. Always follow with moisturizer and use daily sunscreen during the day. Usability: the serum's texture glides on smoothly and absorbs quickly without leaving residue. Its non-greasy feel makes it comfortable under night creams or alone. The pump bottle dispenses controlled amounts, minimizing waste and ensuring hygienic use. It's ideal for beginners and experienced users alike due to its moderate retinol. Strength. Durability: packaged in a dark, airtight bottle to preserve retinol stability. The serum maintains its potency over time. A 30 ml bottle generally lasts 6 to 8 weeks with regular use. Proper storage away from light and heat extends shelf life and effectiveness. We have Neutrogena Rapid Wrinkle. Neutrogena Rapid Wrinkle Repair Serum is a clinically proven retinol formula designed for fast and visible wrinkle reduction. It combines accelerated retinol SAW with hyaluronic acid and glucose complex to boost cell turnover and hydrate the skin simultaneously. Recommended by dermatologists. This serum offers potent anti-aging benefits while minimizing dryness and irritation. Key features: the formula features retinol SAW, a stabilized retinol derivative that promotes quicker skin renewal. Hyaluronic acid provides hydration to prevent dryness, while glucose complex enhances retinol's effectiveness. It's fragrance-free and oil-free, reducing potential skin sensitivity. Benefits and usage: regular use helps smooth fine lines, fade age spots, and brighten dull skin. The serum works rapidly, with visible improvements often seen within 1 week. Apply a small amount nightly on clean skin, avoiding the eye area. Begin with every other night if sensitive, then increase frequency. Moisturize afterward and always. Apply sunscreen during the day to protect newly renewed skin. Usability: the lightweight serum absorbs instantly without stickiness, making it easy to layer with other skincare products. The pump dispenser provides controlled, hygienic application, suitable for most skin types. It is especially effective for those seeking rapid anti-aging results. Durability: Neutrogena packages the serum in an airtight container that safeguards ingredient. Stability: a 29 ml bottle typically lasts 6 to 8 weeks when used consistently, offering great value for a fast-acting retinol serum. Number 3 is the Ordinary Retinol. The Ordinary Retinol 0.5% in squalane is a budget-friendly, yet highly effective serum that delivers moderate-strength retinol in a hydrating squalane base. This formula is ideal for those wanting to incorporate retinol without excessive dryness or irritation. The lightweight serum promotes skin renewal and reduces signs of aging, while supporting hydration with squalane's moisturizing properties. Key features: the serum contains 0.5% pure retinol combined with squalane to hydrate and soothe the skin. It's free from parabens, sulfates, and fragrance, making it suitable for sensitive skin types. The oil-based formula enhances retinol penetration while preventing dryness. Benefits and usage: this serum effectively minimizes fine lines, improves skin texture, and evens skin tone with consistent use. The squalane base helps maintain moisture, balance, and calm irritation. Apply a few drops nightly to cleanse skin, beginning with 2 to 3 times a week and increasing gradually. Follow with moisturizer and daytime sunscreen for best results. Usability: the serum's silky, lightweight texture absorbs well without clogging pores or leaving greasiness. The dropper allows precise dosage, reducing waste. Its combination of retinol and squalane suits those new to retinol or with drier skin types needing hydration. Durability: the packaging shields retinol from light and air, maintaining formula integrity. A 30 milliliters bottle typically lasts 6 to 8 weeks with regular use. Store away from heat and direct sunlight to preserve potency. Taking our 4th spot is La Roche-Posay Retinol B3. La Roche-Posay Retinol B3 serum offers a powerful yet gentle retinol treatment enriched with vitamin B3 niacinamide to enhance skin barrier function and reduce irritation. This serum is crafted for sensitive and mature skin needing effective wrinkle reduction without compromising comfort. It combines retinol's anti-aging effects with niacinamide's soothing and brightening properties for balanced skin improvement. Key features: the formula contains pure retinol and 0.5% niacinamide, which supports barrier repair, reduces redness, and improves skin tone. It's fragrance-free and dermatologist-tested for sensitive skin. The serum has a lightweight, fast-absorbing texture suitable for layering under moisturizer. Benefits and usage: regular use diminishes fine lines and wrinkles while improving skin radiance and texture. Niacinamide helps calm inflammation and strengthens the skin barrier to minimize retinol-related irritation. Apply at night to clean skin, starting slowly and increasing frequency as tolerated. Use sunscreen during the day to protect renewed skin. Usability: the serum absorbs quickly and doesn't leave a sticky or heavy feeling. The pump dispenser allows hygienic, controlled application. It layers well under creams or makeup and suits sensitive skin due to its soothing ingredients. Durability: La Roche-Posay's protective packaging keeps retinol stable and effective over time. A 30 milliliters bottle usually lasts 6 to 8 weeks with consistent use. Proper storage away from light ensures longevity. At number 5, we have Paula's Choice 1% Retinol. Paula's Choice 1% Retinol Booster is a potent, customizable retinol serum designed for experienced users seeking maximum anti-aging benefits. It combines 1% pure retinol with antioxidants and soothing ingredients to reduce wrinkles, refine skin texture, and brighten tone. This booster can be mixed with your favorite moisturizer or used alone, offering flexibility in retinol concentration and application. Key features: this formula contains 1% pure retinol, alongside vitamin C and peptides to boost collagen and neutralize free radicals. Calming agents like licorice and oat extract minimize irritation. It's fragrance-free, non-comedogenic, and suitable for most skin types accustomed to retinol. Benefits and usage: the booster visibly reduces deep wrinkles, improves skin firmness, and enhances brightness. Due to its strength, it's best introduced gradually, starting once or twice a week and increasing as tolerated. Apply a small amount alone or mixed with moisturizer at night. Always follow with daily sunscreen. USABILITY. The lightweight serum absorbs rapidly and layers well with other products. The pump bottle delivers hygienic and precise dosing. Its blend of retinol and soothing actives helps balance efficacy with comfort for sensitive or retinol experienced users. Durability. Paula's Choice uses airless pump packaging to maintain ingredient potency. A 20 milliliters bottle typically lasts 6 to 8 weeks with regular use, delivering professional-grade results in a compact size. Retinol remains one of the most effective ingredients for youthful, radiant skin, but choosing the right serum is key to balancing results and comfort. From RoC's accessible correction formula to Paula's choice potent 1% booster, these 5 serums cater to different skin types and retinol experience levels. Start slow. Protect your skin with sunscreen and enjoy the transformative effects of retinol. Which retinol serum fits your skincare goals? Share your experiences and questions in the comments below.